Lane Cocking here with Dirty Deeds Tractor. Singular green 960-500 and the excavator over there, getting ready to go do an install. A proud distributor, Singular Green. Y'all give us a call today. All right, I got the bed down for the tank. I'm gonna bring in the tank now and set the tank, make sure we're level. Make sure we get our proper flow into the distribution box, excuse me. There's our distribution box. That's gonna get bedded and concreted. And then I'm gonna slap an irrigation box on top of that. We're gonna unload this. We're on the job site now. All right, I'm getting ready to set the tank now. Going down. Ooh, that's smooth. That motherfucker's dead
they call me the smooth operator.
That's our inlet right there. Our outlet's on the other side. I'm gonna throw a level on it now and see what we got. Be right back with you. All right, I got my level on it. Looking pretty good there. Got my outlet going to my D box, down into my chambers. Very important you get your tank level. Don't shortcut it, bed it at the bottom. All that cinder right there in the back, I'm gonna place all around my tank now. And I also have a 4 or 5 inch bedding underneath, as you can see down there. Be back with you. All right, I got it all nice and shaded around my tank. It's a 3/4 minus. Sorry, I gotta clean up the sides. I got all my pipes shaded. Got my distribution box level. On my pipe, I just gotta make this one connection down here. It's my leach field going that way. So essentially what's gonna take place is, bear with me here. All right. Ooh, try not to eat shit. All right, so this one here, here's our inlet, right? Inlet. Shit's going inside. Going right into our trash tank in here. This is one chamber. Chamber 2. We got the aerator and the grinder pump. Chamber 3, biokinetic. I'll get into how all that works on a later video, but I'm just showing you guys kind of the gist of just a simple install for an alternative system. Take care.
Or dirty deeds, done dirt cheap, yeah!